2017 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning front, power steering, cruise control, fog lights, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, daytime running lamps, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, chrome rear bumper, front reading lamps. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.